I think one man's misfortune here could be somebody's real opportunity. These 4 units unfortunately have been burnt out and the property needs to be removed and rebuilt. But this parcel of land at 202 Elphinstone Street sits on 1,714 square metres with 2 lots. It gives you a vast array of opportunity. Whether you decide to rebuild the 4 units or take advantage of the 2 lots, the opportunity is yours. If you're ready for a little hard work to get a lot of opportunity, give our team a call. We would love to help you out.